Welcome to the office. Hi, Paula.
How are you?
Welcome back.
Thank you.
It's Friday. We're on day number 3.
Yes.
We had one day off yesterday.
Yeah.
My only day off during the week. Tell me what's going on.
So it's changed. For
Okay.
sure.
All right.
Changed.
What's changed?
I don't know.
Okay, so we talked a little bit about, so you were having the shooting pain before.
Yeah. So right now I feel like there's less shooting pain. It's more localized. Right hip, right here.
Okay, sorry.
Right here, like right above the knee. And on this side of the
Now, when you say above the knee, are you talking
right
back here?
Back
So,
here, yeah.
okay, so this is the hamstring. This is the IT band.
It's more like the IT band.
Okay, so let's talk about the IT band, the way I was trained in it. IT band is usually not the cause, it's usually a result. And it's usually a result of G medius, glute medius, which is that muscle here, which is what you're complaining of.
Okay.
Now, excuse me, we started on the tailbone. And we talked about if there's shooting pain going down the leg to the foot, it's usually spine related. If it's localized going to the knee, usually more pelvis. Now, your scenario is, I can't touch your pelvis. Why? Because, come over here, let's talk about it. But we will figure out what it is.
Okay.
So, what we talked about was, we know you have the spondylolisthesis of L5. Correction of that is going to be at S2. But when we look at your hips, your pelvis on the right is actually misaligned down and out. So it's called the PIEX. The left one is doing the opposite, up and in. If I adjust your pelvis, there's only one way to adjust it, is up and in. If I do that, your imbalance becomes more. So that can't be the answer in your, or at least I don't see that as your answer. Now, when we're looking neurologically specifically at the hip, L1 is the front of the hip, L2 is the side of the hip, L3 is the back of the hip. So when you're getting it, you're feeling it more more in the back. So that's more around L3. L3 also goes to the knee.
Okay.
L3 also goes to the ovary, side note. Okay? So just to clarify, I don't want to work on your pelvis to get maybe a temporary, oh, it feels good, and then all of a sudden we're off balance.
Okay.
There's another little trick nutritionally that when we're looking at pain in that G medius piriformis area, and lactic acid can build up. I've had 2 cases in 24 years where we were adjusting, and they got better, but they didn't get fixed. And what my nutrition mentor taught me was look for lactic acid buildup in that area. Easiest way, there's a very easy way to break that stuff up within 6 days with one simple supplement. Okay? Very simple.
Which is?
Should I give it to them? Should I give it to them? So that's what I'm thinking. Now, in terms of overall pain from where you started, are we at least 30% better?
It comes and goes. When
Okay.
it comes like it comes hard.
Okay. And before it was constant?
Pretty much.
So
Yeah.
we have some moments of
Yeah.
relief. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Any other things happen?
No.
You ready?
Ready.
All right. So guess what that means? We gotta go deeper today. All right, let's take a look and see. Starting at the base. Starting at the base of the neck. How's the family?
Oh, good.
Everyone's happy?
Yeah. Or they sound happy. I've been speaking to them.
They can't be happy if Mama's here, dude. What's up? I'm getting C3 on the right today. Alrighty. T5, right side, 5 points, 10 points. So we want to look close between L1 and L3 along with the spondy. And of course, that's where I got it. L3, 5 points. And now we're at the S2, which is the spondy. 5, 3, spondy. And C3. Okay. Let's feel what's going on there. This is a good case, guys, for a lot of people out there, because when you look at her, it looks from the outside without an X-ray, it actually looks like her right hip is high or the pelvis is misaligned up. It's not. That's L5, okay? Mm-hmm. That's S1. That's S2.
I think that's tender too, but S1 was like a little current.
Bend to the right. Yes. Mm-hmm. That's the S2. 4. That's 3. Hold on. That's 3.
Yeah, that's painful.
Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, Zoe, Mama gonna get it today. T5. Let's do it. We're gonna start on C3. Sit back for me, please. C3. And for C3, we're going to set it as a oh, interesting. I'm going to actually set it as a PLS from the right though, guys. 2, 3. So I need to come around the left side. No, you're good there. I'm going to come around on the left side of the spinous, bring it over. There, you gotcha. Good. Now I'm going to take a little bit more from that left side. Let me have it, please. Got to get under. There. There's the rest.
Oh, I felt.
You felt it in that hip?
Yeah.
Did you ever hear my story about me, the patient?
About what?
About me. I was the patient years ago and bedridden for a year and a half, and everyone was trying to do my 5, my sacrum, my spondy, my this, my that. I went to one of my mentors up in Washington State, new X-ray. He's like, "It's your 3rd cervical, right?" I'm like, "What are you talking about?" And I'm like, "But I have it here." He's like, "It's here." So he's fixed this for 1 week. I just got 1 segment adjusted. And then I come back to LA, we fix the rest of it, and then we get to that. After that, I had 50 cases of sciatica. Came from a 3rd cervical. Pretty wild. Stand up, walk it out. Anything can cause anything. Mm-hmm. Cool. All right, let's go and do the spondy. We're going to set it as a... Now, with the spondy, we have to torque down, not up. So I'm okay doing the spondy left side down. Hold on, let me think about this. I got to come down. Yeah, let's go left side down. Head on the pillow here, face that way. So this is a different spondy adjustment than I would normally do, and the reason I'm doing it this way is because of the torque, and it's dropped down on that left side. If I torque down more, again, I don't want to bring that sacrum more inferior. So we're going to set it over here. There you go. There you go. Bottom leg straight.
Oh, sorry.
There we go. I got you the whole way. So we have to torque it down. Relax the shoulder up, 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 up. Ah. I'm going to roll you over. And we want to torque down. Relax that bottom leg, please. That's the home run. Gotcha. Nice. Got a little smile.
You're good.
Come on up. Walk it off once. One more time. Notice your feet when you're walking.
It's less open.
Have a seat. Let me recheck and see if that third lumbar still needs something. That actually cleared up your mid-back, yo. That cleared up your 3, yo. Dang, check it out. Come back. That's 2. That's 1. I didn't touch it. That's 5. That's 4. That's 3.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Right on. Ears. On your back here. Let's do the feet. So we ended up doing third cervical and the spondy today.
Okay.
So it's a different combo today than what I expected. Cool. There you go. Go ahead and sit up for me, please. And turn. So you go enjoy your day, get your walking in. We have tomorrow now, right?
Yeah, tomorrow's our last one
On this trip.
on this trip.
Okay. All right. You're all set for today.
Okay.
Today was a good day.
Yeah, not painful.
Not pain. Oh, wow. Okay, good. Squeeze, squeeze. One more time. Bus.
Yeah.
Hands are good.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.